equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we will delve into diagnosing the MacBook A1502, specifically focusing on CPU short-circuit issues. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and preventing any static damage. Begin by powering off your MacBook and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 10 screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws organized, as they vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom case off, taking care not to damage any clips. With the bottom case removed, you'll want to inspect the internal components for any visible signs of damage or debris. Use a can of compressed air to clean out any dust that may have accumulated, particularly around the CPU area. This is crucial as overheating can exacerbate short-circuit issues. Now, locate the logic board. You will need to remove several screws using the T5 Torx screwdriver. As you do this, remember to keep track of where each screw belongs. If you find this process daunting, don't forget that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect the battery connector using a spudger. This step is vital to prevent any electrical shorts while you're working on the logic board. After disconnecting the battery, you can proceed to remove the logic board from the chassis. Be cautious as you lift it out, ensuring you don't damage any attached cables. Inspect the CPU area for any burnt components or signs of a short circuit. If you notice any damage, it may indicate a need for a replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. If everything looks intact, you can reassemble the MacBook. Start by placing the logic board back into its original position and reconnecting the battery. Secure it with the T5 screws you removed earlier. Then, replace the bottom case and secure it with the P5 screws. Before powering on your device, it's a good idea to double-check that all connections are secure and that no screws are left over. Once you're satisfied, power on your MacBook and see if the issue persists. If you still encounter problems, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, diagnosing a CPU short circuit in the MacBook A1502 involves careful disassembly, inspection, and reassembly. Always prioritize safety, and if you're unsure at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.